All right, so we have the pumpkin knitted to our height that we would like to have. And instead of binding off, we're going to cinch it all up. So we're going to gather all these stitches. And if you have interchangeable needles, you can take this off and kind of slide everything around, but I'm going to assume that not everybody has interchangeable needles, and we're going to slip these off onto, so I just have my darning needle, and I just have, I don't know, maybe a couple of feet of extra yarn, which is way more than enough. And we're just going to slip these off. And don't get that one too tight, because then we won't be able to get the needle off. I'll go all the way around to get all of these off. And of course you will want to have this stuffed. It would be easier. Or don't cinch it, because this yarn is stout. I guess it does depend on what yarn you're using for your pumpkin, because some are more delicate than others. This one's very durable. All right, and before you cinch it up, you want to make sure that your lines are fairly straight, and then hold that stitch there. Now we're going to cinch it all the way up. And I haven't decided what type of top I'm going to leave, but I think I'm going to leave a little hole there. So if I wanted to do a stick or a cinnamon stick, so we're going to leave that little hole at the top. But we did not at the bottom. So I'm going to go around, I think here,